What's going on, y'all? Nick here, coming to you with another video. So, you guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to play all your 12 keys, all right, with both your right and your left hand, all right. I'm going to teach you the fingering, all right, and also make sure that when you look at this video and you study it, make sure you go back and you do everything that I'm telling you with a metronome. I'm going to teach you how to properly do that, all right. I'm probably going to break this series into 12 different videos so that none of the videos are too long, but long story short, let's just get right into it. All right, so the first key we're going to go into is obviously the C scale, and then I'm going to work my way around the circle of fifths. All right guys, so first things first, if you're playing the C scale, I'm going to first teach you how to play it with your left hand. Alright, and then I'm going to teach you how to play with your right hand. Alright, bear in mind that you're able to slow down the video, press replay, do whatever you need to do in order to see what I actually did, alright? But let's actually put it together. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to teach you how to do it with an actual metronome, so that if you do it with a metronome, you use a pace that is very, conducive to you. You do not start fast, all right, you guys? But I'm going to start off, I believe, at 90 BPM, and the better that you get, you can easily work your way up to 100, 110, 120, etc., etc. Alright, you guys, that's the C scale.